What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is When Mom Confronts the Neighbor Who Yelled at Her Child. Listen, moms is gonna get on your ass, boy. Don't disrespect they kid, boy. They gonna get on your ass. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about.
On September 14, 2024, officers responded to a call of a physical disturbance between neighbors.
Turn your arm super. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it took place right there where you can see the shells. Guess she knocked me right on my ass.
Put your arm back now. What constituted this fight?
Well,
It couldn't have been just a random act of just violence.
yeah, it was.
Okay.
What happened is I saw these two boys on the property. I was just coming to my front door, and
They were like right here or
yeah,
something?
and they grabbed shells. And honestly, I figured it would just. I said to her, "It's no big deal. It's over with." But they shouldn't be on my property taking shells. She says, "Well, they didn't take shells." She was very hostile. And then she got this close to me, and I just pushed her away, and that was it. She knocked me right on my ass and kept saying they're kids. They're 10 years old, but they're not little. They're pretty good sized kids, but the kids didn't. They left laughing like, F you, and that was it. But the mother took it like, oh my God.
Hey, Elizabeth. Come on out and talk to me.
Yeah, I need to talk to you.
Okay.
I was just fixing a call because
Same with the subject.
I actually need my kids to step out because this involves my children. She was screaming,
Mhm.
racial profiling my child. She called him the N-word. So that's what my son called me on the phone because they were shooting their Nerf guns. He's 10.
Yeah.
And he shot the Nerf gun in her yard. She came out. She was screaming at him. Told him that she, just obviously horrible things because he called me.
Right.
Horribly upset. So I go down to confront her. I'm like, hey, you can't talk to children like that. And she's like, I'll talk to anybody any kind of way I want. And I'm like, no, you really cannot talk to children, especially this one right here, my child. And when she stepped up and pushed me really hard and hit me in my face, which caused us to have an altercation. Like, I just had back surgery. I obviously didn't go in a fight because I'm in a dress, in high heels. And I just went down there to defend my child.
Okay. All right, so that was a spontaneous statement, but I'm going to read you your Miranda warning, okay? Not saying you're going to jail, but I have to read you your Miranda rights because there are allegations against you that you...
I have witnesses. Can you ask them?
But I have to read you your Miranda warnings, all right?
Wait, hold on now. Hold on. Now, I know they read them just because they're going to question you about whatever the situation is. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to jail. But from my point of view, I think the older lady should be going to jail because whatever they had, she touched her first. You feel me? But on the other end, it's like that woman went over to her property. So I'm curious to how this is going to play out, man. Let's lock in. Let's see what they talking about.
More specific question. I know you
Yes,
just...
sir.
All right. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any of my questions or statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you, Elizabeth?
Yes, sir.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to continue to talk to me and answer specific questions about why we're here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, obviously, you and her got into a fight, right? You're saying she pushed you, and then that's...
No, she hit me in my face and pushed me.
Okay.
We were like a little closer than you and I.
So walk me to the beginning. Okay, your kids were possibly picking up seashells or supposedly
No,
or
that's
something.
not what happened.
Okay,
He
I don't want to
said-
put words in your mouth, so you tell me
Yeah.
from the beginning.
My son told me that that's what she accused him of, and he said, "No, ma'am, that's not what we were doing. My bullet from my Nerf gun fell into your yard. They picked it up and tried to show her, and she was still
Okay.
cursing at them.
Okay,
Yelling
I
at
can see
them.
that. They were playing
Racial
around.
profiling, yes, and that's my son's biracial. So
Racial profiling?
yeah, she called him the N-word several times.
Okay.
So that's what got my son very. He's 10.
From a distance, though, right? She never actually went up to your kids.
No, yeah, it was Yeah, it was
Like from the threshold of her doorway and like
from
to
the driveway where it was.
Okay.
That's where she came up to them at.
Okay.
At the street. He wasn't in her actual yard, is what he's saying, and I believe him. So
Right. Okay. And then what happened?
I came up and I knocked on her door because I wanted to talk to her. Because obviously I wanted to see what was going on. And she wasn't at her door, so she was in the garage. So she was coming out. So I went from her front porch back to the garage door, which is where she met me, which is where we were having the conversation.
Okay.
And that's where I said, ma'am, those two children right there, and she said that they were selling shells, and I said, no ma'am. She said that they had a gun, and I said, ma'am, it was a toy gun, like it's a Nerf gun. She said, how am I supposed to know? And I'm like, they showed you the bullet.
Okay.
And
at any point, do you remember her trying to like leave or walk past you?
no, she never. She was walking past me, and she also pushed me out of her way to walk past me.
Okay. So you don't remember because this whole thing was captured on video.
Okay.
Okay. So from the video, it's showing opposite of what you're telling me. From the video, I see her coming out talking to you in the driveway. You're clearly upset talking to her or whatever. A conversation, I get it. But in the video, it shows her trying to go past you like this, and you blocking her route of exit.
That not blocking her of exit. That's when she said she could talk to anybody any way she wanted, and I said, not my child. That's when I just stepped in and said, but not my child.
Okay, but what
And
I'm saying is if we're talking like this...
Moment. That's all. She also pushed, and that's exactly what happened.
You're cooked. You're cooked. You're going to jail. You're cooked. She tried to remove herself from the situation. You stepped in and impeded her movement. You're cooked. Even if she hit you first, whatever, that's it. It's a wrap.
I didn't.
So when she tried to walk away from you, why'd you step in front of her?
Because she was saying that she could talk to anybody any way she wanted, and he's 10 years old, and I just, not any child. You just can't talk to children any kind of way. It's just not acceptable.
Morally wrong, right? But it's not against the law, correct? As a mother, I can understand where you're coming from, right? But morally, is it wrong? Yeah. Yelling at my child, biracial, statements and stuff like that, right? I can understand you're upset, okay? But when you guys finish that, are going back and forth with each other, she tries to leave or diffuse the situation from walking past you to the right. You take a step to the left. Doesn't matter.
I didn't touch her. I just stepped towards her.
Right. So
she didn't deserve me getting hit in the face or pushed.
So basically, here, this is what it is. When someone tries to, if we're arguing back and forth like you and her were, you guys weren't pushing each other at that point. When she tries to leave like this and you step in her way, you're blocking her path of exit. By law, she has the right to push you out of her way now.
Even if she still has exit way?
You block it. She's on her property. Okay? So that's a little education for you.
Even if she's being rude and saying rude things.
Man, being rude is not
I'm saying
criminal.
I can see if I completely blocked her in and caved her in.
Well, you guys were literally right by the garage.
I just stepped and was but not my child.
Right. But this is
put my body into
this is the garage from the video right here, right?
But I didn't block her in you can see she still had room.
Are there any other adults
or anything?
Yes.
Okay. Just
how many kids are here?
Can you get other people's?
Yeah.
You're gonna be placed under arrest.
Can I put my shoes on?
Yeah, we'll get your shoes.
Phone
We'll have your
with
shoes.
phone numbers and
Yeah, we'll get that. So right now you're
can
gonna
you
be
please? I
placed.
just had surgery on my back. Can you please sit in the front?
No, I can't do that.
We can put
Please.
because from the video it
Can
don't
you
look
do
like
it?
your surgery had anything to
She
do with it. So put your hands
Can I
behind your back.
please let someone know what's going on?
We'll get out of the doorway. Let's get out of the
Can I
doorway.
please put my shoes on?
We'll
get your shoes.
We'll get your shoes. We'll knock on the door. We'll explain it to the other adult in there.
Oh my God!
Say 15-1 adult in custody. So lift your hands up so I can double lock them for you.
I'll pull my throat.
Come on, step over here.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. It's okay. So right now, you're being placed under arrest for battery on an elderly person, 65 years or
Seriously?
older, which is a felony. Okay?
Oh my gosh.
All right.
She had plenty of room to still go. She did.
Okay.
She did. This is wrong.
No, man, it's not. What
It
you did
is.
was wrong.
No,
You're going over
it's
there
not.
to talk to her is one thing, but you can't block somebody's path of exit when they
God.
try to leave from in
I
front of you.
didn't block it. She was not blocked.
You'll have your day in court to discuss it with the lawyer or something like that, and they'll play the video in court. It's going to be evidence. So actually, you know what? Step out for me. I'll take photos of her.
Okay. Do you want an ambulance to come check you out?
No.
Okay.
Step all the way out for me, man. I'm sorry.
I'll take them because I already got the number on my phone.
So she's got some. I'm gonna just raise your. Is it your right knee? Okay. So an injury right there. That looks like that's from the ground when you threw her on the ground.
Yeah.
And then get her arms in her face. And you battered her pretty good.
She fell, which is what battered her.
Okay.
You have scratches on your arms, Jeremy?
No.
We get a good picture of her face and her arms.
I don't have nothing on my hands.
Just get it.
anything.
So
she literally
just
fell on
the
the ground,
display.
which is what
Yeah.
happened.
Okay.
You don't have any weapons or drugs on you, do you?
No.
Okay. You ever been
I'm just gonna take a picture of your face, make sure it's not injured.
Do you know your
Can you go get Miss Emily?
your social?
Hi, ma'am.
I'm having them call your mom and Grace.
I gotta do this one.
Yeah, take your time.
I'm just her friend,
Okay, so
but they know me.
Hey, Cherry, ask her if it's okay if the kids are with her friend.
Is it's okay for your kids to be with your friend?
Yeah.
Okay. She says yes. Watch your right leg.
Damn. Yeah, I feel her. You know what I'm saying? Moms is definitely gonna come in defense of their kid, but there's a couple of things, man. For one, she old. You know what I'm saying? The lady old. You know how old people is. They get grumpy. You know what I'm saying? Shout out my old people. But the older you get, the more stuck in your ways you get. You know what I'm saying? So, and then the whole biracial thing, that could be true. You know what I'm saying? You know that stuff could be true. She's older, so older generation kind of, the more younger you see is more intermingling going on than anything. You know what I'm saying? They definitely with the swirl. You know what I'm saying? The snow bunnies like the chocolate, and the chocolate like the snow bunnies. Like is you know what I'm saying? So, but so. You see that more with the younger generation, you know what I'm saying? The younger crowd, your 30s, 20s, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, even your 40s, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's more, whatever. But your older people, they stuck in their way. You know how I go. Me and you, we know, all right? I'm just saying. So, that stuff could all be true, and that's going to aggravate somebody. But when she tries to walk away and get out of the situation, and you ain't going nowhere. Oh, yeah. You're cooked. You're cooked. You messed up. You messed up. You know what I'm saying? So get that bond money ready. You know what I'm saying? But everything will work out, man. Everything will be all right, man. Moms is definitely going to come in defense of their kid regardless. But anyway, I think the cops did a pretty good job. I give them 4 out of 5 because they were able to. At first, I'm like, ugh. Without the video, though, I think it would have been tough. You know what I'm saying? It would have been tough. But with the video, you blocking her movements, because even the old lady said, I hit her first. You know what I'm saying? The old lady even said that. You know what I'm saying? But now we understand why she hit her is because she blocked her from moving. So at that point, it's game on. And you on her property. So whatever. So 4 out of 5 from me. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.